Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one because it had such a strong day on Monday where the price broke out of that consolidation, was working its way up, was behaving like it wanted to get through that red line up there at 50 cents. But ultimately today you can see price got rejected. And not only did it get rejected, it got pushed back downwards quite a bit. So definitely a lot of updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is actually just get rid of that line there. It served its purpose. And then make the first update, which is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And going into the day, that 48-cent mark had been that level of support. But now that the price is down below there, that's going to be that initial level. So yes, 50 cents is without doubt still an area of resistance. My point is that before you really put too much focus or attention on that level, the price first needs to prove itself by getting up above that 48-cent mark. So keep a very close eye on that. Like I said, if there is any sort of attempted movements back to the upside in terms of levels of support, and to give credit where credit's due, at least the price has been doing a great job of holding up there above that 45-cent mark. I mean, you go through the history of the chart, and you can see 45 cents a whole bunch of times has held nicely, and then you fast forward to today, and once again, it's held. So good to see 45 cents is continuing to hold, but that also makes it a very important level, because if the price does break down through there, well, now all of a sudden you'd have a situation where, like I said, if the price breaks through there, where you'd have the price having gone all the way back to where it was before that big old surge from last week. So 45 cents, like I said, good job so far. It's holding up like you would want to see it hold up, but you definitely want to continue to see it hold strong, or else it starts to put the chart at some very sketchy territory. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.